Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to disable the startup movie. So, what I'm looking at right now is, I launched FieldGenius. You can see there's a little animation playing, and once it is fully loaded into the software here, what I'm going to do is I'm first going to open up a project. In this case, I'll just open up this 5 project with a very detailed name, and within the project here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Settings, and within this Settings menu, you can see there is a Show Startup Movie option. I'm going to make sure this is unchecked, so I'm going to make sure it is white instead of blue, and that means when I relaunch the app here, you can see that no animation is played. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you disable the startup movie within Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really just helps out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.